Imagine if every message sent across the internet got lost or scrambled. Websites would fail, emails would disappear, and online games would freeze. TCP is the silent hero that keeps your data flowing smoothly, like a careful courier who never loses a package. Let's uncover how this invisible system keeps the digital world running perfectly. Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP, is a way computers talk to each other on a network. It makes sure messages get sent without errors and in the right order. Imagine sending a letter where you want a reply, confirming it arrived. That's how TCP works with data. TCP starts by making a connection between the two computers. This is called a three-way handshake. They agree to talk and set rules for sending data. Then, the data is broken into small parts called packets. TCP numbers these packets, so the receiver knows if any are missing or out of order. If a packet is lost, TCP asks for it again. When everything is sent, the connection closes through a four-way handshake. Here are some main points about TCP. TCP uses sequence numbers for every byte, not just packets, to track data accurately. It offers full duplex communication, meaning both sides can send data at the same time. TCP controls flow to stop overwhelming the receiver using a sliding window method. It detects corrupted packets using checksums and requests retransmission. Congestion control algorithms adjust sending speed to avoid network overload. TCP headers include options for advanced features like timestamps and selective acknowledgements. It can handle out-of-order packets by storing and reordering them before passing them to applications. TCP adapts dynamically to changes in network conditions, like variances in delay and packet loss. Security can be enhanced when combined with protocols like TLS for encryption. It is the backbone protocol for many internet services such as web browsing, email, and file transfers. Here's an example to help you understand better. Think of TCP like sending a book by mail, but every page is a packet. You number each page, send them, and the receiver checks if any pages are missing or unreadable. If pages get lost, they ask you to resend those pages. When all pages arrive, the receiver can read the whole book in order. TCP is like a phone call where both people agree to talk before sharing information. They take turns speaking, listen carefully, confirm they heard correctly, and don't hang up until they finish the conversation. This makes the chat clear and reliable, just like TCP makes sure data reaches safely and in order.
Simply click the link below to learn more.